Hello viewers, in this video let's see about tense. Tense of verbs are used to express time. They indicate the time and the state of action. The following pictograph will help you understand the tense form better. Specified time. Specified time is a phrase that refers to a specific time or data that has been named. In this there are two types, simple and progressive. First type, simple. She worked yesterday, past tense. She works every day, present tense. She will work again tomorrow, future tense. Progressive. She was working at 9 a.m. this morning, past tense. She is working right now, present tense. She will be working at 6 p.m. tonight, future tense. Unspecified time means unlimited time or period. In this there are two types, perfect and perfect progressive. Perfect. When she retails, she had worked all her life. Past perfect. So far she has worked all her life. Present perfect. When she retails, she will have worked all her life. Future perfect. Perfect progressive. When she retailed, she had been working for 40 years. Past perfect progressive. She has been working for 40 years. Present perfect progressive. When she retailed, she will have been working for 40 years. Future perfect progressive. Thanks for watching.